The number one complaint we get from shop workers is that no two dust ports seem to be the same size. They're constantly searching for an adapter or cobbling together a way to connect their hose into a tool to finish the job. Well, now you can bring any shop vac or dust extractor and pair it to any power tool you want with the Mullet FitsAll hose kit. Our unique hose coupler end fits the inlet of any shop vac or dust extractor out there. And if you happen to have the rare oddball inlet, don't worry. We'll take care of you with a custom-fit 3D printed adapter. And on the other end, temperature and chemically resistant hose kit bushings friction fit on the tool's dust port, staying with the tool. They fit tight and are designed to not work their way off with use. And you simply jump from tool to tool with the hose coupler. The kit has a wide range of hose bushings fitting dust port sizes from under 1 inch to over 2 inches in size. No more needing to keep track of special hose adapters or fumbling with snap fittings. Bonus, no adapters needed to fit directly onto the Mullet high-speed cyclone and boom arm. And for those sanders out there that need variable suction, we have an integrated handy-dandy vent control to relieve a little suction with a simple turn of the valve. And speaking of moving, the Mullet hose kit is designed with dual couplers, freely rotating to avoid binding and kinking, and giving you the ability to unthread the hose to either cut it down or replace it in the future. And this ain't your normal hose. It's a kink and crush resistant 1.25 inch diameter hose with a translucent wall, allowing you to see debris pass through and locate and clear any blockages. Equipped with a smooth internal wall, you'll get the most out of the suction power of your vac. Get the hose system that takes the guesswork and frustration out of dust control. The Mullet FitsAll hose kit, the one hose to rule them all.